Thanlon constituency MLA Vungzagin Valte passes away today after prolonged battle with injuries he sustained during violent clashes that began in Manipur on May 3, 2023. Valte from Thanlon constituency in Churchandpur district breathed his last at Medanta Medicity Hospital, Gurugram in Delhi, where he had been receiving medical care. He was airlifted to Delhi in an air ambulance and treated at several hospitals. After being under treatment and bedridden for close to 2 years in New Delhi, he returned home on April 9, 2025. After his health condition deteriorated, he was once again airlifted to Medanta Hospital. It may be mentioned that the Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand monitored his health condition throughout the night and sent an advance life support ambulance along with a team of doctors from Imphal to Churchandpur around midnight. Government spokesperson stated that through teleconferencing, doctors from Imphal remained in constant touch with the medical team at Churchandpur Medical College Hospital. The Chief Minister arranged an air ambulance to evacuate the MLA and was thus airlifted to Delhi.